Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop, and welcome to issue 57 of Build Your Own Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 from the year 1967 from our good old mates at DeAgostini. Now, if you want to grab this for yourself, head over to this link here. There's a clickable version in the description below. Pop. That will take you to DeAgostini's website, where you too can take out a subscription for this iconic 1/6 scale Mustang, folks. Right, let's have a quick scoot through the magazine. You've got the Willis Jeep there, the first 4x4, looking rather splendid. Next up, you've got some examples there, the 1941 pre-production version and the post-war one that went on the market in 1960. Quite a difference, isn't there, between the two there. This is what we're going to be doing today, the front floor and the gear shift lever. Loads of delicate parts in there today, and we've got sticky carpets to do. So, yeah. So I'll film the latter part of it because I want to get the alignment 100% on these, or as near as damn it. You're going to need your tweezers as well for your steering column. That's where that's all going to go. Now, my steering lever, I shall fit it for demonstration purposes, but then I shall drop it back out because I have a feeling where this is going to be moved around, I don't want to break my gear lever. So I'll show you how it attaches, and then I shall remove it for safekeeping. We then got some switches going in as well here, folks, okay? And that's just an on-off switch. And that's where it's going to go. This is where it's going to look like, and that's where it's going on your Mustang, inside there. Next up, we got the Ford Puma. Very short and sweet little compact coupe with the oval lines. Wasn't a massive success from what I remember rightly, due to the engine being a bit underpowered in the UK. I don't know what it was like globally, but certainly over here, the engines were very poor performance. Oh yeah, it says a bit there about it. There you go. So yeah, it was withdrawn from the market. In 2020, it revived its name with a 5-seater sports UTV or SUV even. And there you go. That's what it's looking like nowadays. A lot different from this. So there you go, folks. So that's the magazine done. We'll flip through and get all of our parts laid out like so. And then when we come back, we'll be doing the latter part of the carpeting. All you've got to remember on this is you need to line up all these edges, folks. But it is a bit fiddly. So bear that in mind. So keep an eye out for that. Okay. Now say and do the same with the rear carpet there, lining up all the holes, making sure they're not obstructed. So we'll do that. Get them in place. So let's orientate that so that they're there. It says make sure they're not obstructed, which they're not. There you go. Have you a bit of that. Happy with that. Let's lose that little tab. Don't need that. And then do the same then with the other side, just like that. And then we can fit that in situ. It's telling us to go round about there. And then we'll come up there or thereabouts. Like that. Work our way down into the crooks and nannies. It is a dust magnet, this velvet stuff, I will be honest. So that's the carpet sorted. Now let's grab our gear lever on the long end of the gear shift next to the insert the other end of the lever into the boot. So we'll go into here and this is where the lever goes into the boat down there, like so. And then this end is where the gear knob goes on, folks, okay? So let's get that in place first, like so. And then we can put the gear knob on. It'll only go to one way, semicircular. There you go, and that's on there now, like that. Okay, nice and simple. And we've got a little chrome notch that it goes into there, little woodruff key just on the end there. So spin that around so that that then goes into place, and then this will go in the carpet and be retained with a PS05 screw. So let's grab that whilst it's on my mind. A bit of oil on it, and we'll get that ready to mount that gear lever, like so. And then we can feed that in place. Got a couple of pins go diagonal, so it'll only go in the one way, folks, like so. And then whilst holding that in place, we can then drop our screw in, just like so. There you go. So that's the gear lever done. We have then got the switch to go in. Got a little bit more finishing carpet to go above. We'll do that in a moment. But we've now got 57G, which is our little switch, okay? So when you put this in the car, you want to orientate it with the 3 wires facing away from you. And it is then going to go in this little slot here, okay? So you want it to go in like so, okay? It's a resistance fit, so just lever your screwdriver against it, let the body go in, and then that's going to be retained in place with a little plastic clip, which is here, and that is retained with a PS14 screw. A bit of oil, just on there, line your plate up, like so. And then feed your screw in, just like that. Like that. There you go. And that's now in situ, just like so. Okay. That's what it's telling us we want. That's what it's getting. So I'm just going to give it a little press just to make sure it's fully honed into the model. Like so, and then I can finish off tightening my plate down there, like that. So that's what you've got, and then you can just roll your fingers along the wire like so, just to press that home so that that will then travel underneath like so towards the front. Okay, so that's what you want there, and then that now just lets me close off now my final little bit of carpet, which is just up on that tunnel there, okay? So I'm just going to feed that in, send that all the way around. So we're happy with that, folks. So we'll leave it there. Don't forget, if you want to grab this and build along with me, head over to this link here, all the way along there. Pop. That will take you to the DeAgostini website, where you can take out a subscription with this beautiful 1/6 scale Mustang, folks. In the meantime, if you can help me out by clicking little festa pops in the corner there and subscribing to my YouTube channel, massively appreciate that. It is free at the end of the day. Also, whilst you're there, just ring the bell and hit an all for the notifications. That will let you know when new content has gone up. In the meantime, thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. See you next time. Bye-bye.